Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home improvement products. Today, we've got something truly special for you, the Gimmerli Matte Black Touchless Kitchen Faucet. If you're looking to bring a touch of modern elegance and convenience to your kitchen, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we dive into the features, installation process and overall performance of this sleek and innovative faucet. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest updates on all things kitchen related. The Gimmerli faucet is cloaked in a captivating matte black finish, exuding an air of understated elegance. It's a statement piece that complements any kitchen style, from contemporary minimalism to rustic charm. The smooth, fingerprint-resistant surface adds a touch of luxury and keeps your faucet looking pristine. This faucet isn't just about aesthetics. It's packed with practical features that make your life easier. The pull-down sprayer extends for effortless cleaning of hard-to-reach areas, while the spray mode lets you switch between a powerful stream and a gentle spray for delicate tasks. And, for added peace of mind, the leak-proof design ensures years of worry-free use. Now, let's move on to the installation process. Many of you might be wondering, is it easy to install? Well, I'm happy to report that Gimmerli has made the installation process quite user-friendly. The package includes all the necessary components, and the step-by-step instructions are clear and concise. If you're comfortable with basic plumbing tasks, you should be able to handle the installation on your own. However, if you're unsure, it's always a good idea to consult with a professional plumber. I have to say, the installation process took me less than an hour, and I'm not exactly a DIY expert. Gimmerli has really designed this faucet with the user in mind, making it accessible to a wide range of homeowners. Now, let's talk about performance. The touchless technology is not just a gimmick, it's a practical feature that adds a level of hygiene to your kitchen. The water flow is consistent, and the different spray settings come in handy for various tasks. The matte black finish is not only stylish, but also easy to clean, and the durability of the faucet is evident in its construction. Here are some key features of the Gimmerli Matte Black Touchless Kitchen Faucet. Touchless technology. This faucet uses a motion sensor to turn the water on and off, so you don't have to touch it with your hands. This is a great feature for hygiene and convenience, especially if you're cooking with messy ingredients. Multifunctional sprayer. The faucet has a pull-down spray with two spray modes, a stream for filling pots and pans and a spray for rinsing dishes. Easy to install. The faucet comes with all the necessary hardware for installation, and it can be installed in a single hole. Durable construction. The faucet is made from solid brass with a matte black finish, so it's built to last. Battery powered. The faucet is powered by 4 AA batteries, which are included. Automatic shut off. The faucet will automatically shut off after 3 minutes of inactivity to prevent water waste. Deck plate optional. The faucet can be used with or without a deck plate. 2-year warranty. The faucet comes with a 2-year warranty. Here are some additional things to consider when purchasing a touchless kitchen faucet. The sensitivity of the motion sensor. You want a sensor that is sensitive enough to turn on the water when you wave your hand near it, but not so sensitive that it turns on accidentally. The spray pattern of the sprayer. Make sure the sprayer has a spray pattern that is suitable for your needs. The finish of the faucet. Choose a finish that will match your kitchen decor. The Gimmerli Matte Black Touchless Kitchen Faucet is a well-featured and stylish faucet that would be a great addition to any kitchen. It's also very affordable. making it a great value for the money. Here are some pros and cons about Gimmerlei Matte Black Touchless Kitchen Faucet. Pros: touchless convenience, modern and stylish, multifunctional sprayer, easy to install. Cons: battery operated, sensor sensitivity, limited temperature range. Overall, the Gimmerlei Matte Black Touchless Kitchen Faucet is a great option for those who are looking for a stylish and convenient faucet with touchless operation. However, it is important to be aware of the potential drawbacks, such as the need to replace batteries and the possibility of the sensor being too sensitive. Well, that wraps up our review and installation guide for the Gimmerlei Matte Black Touchless Kitchen Faucet. Now, let's get started. The Delta Faucet Classic Single-Handle Kitchen Sink Faucet is a timeless and elegant faucet that is perfect for any kitchen. It features a single-handle design that makes it easy to control the water flow and temperature. The faucet also has a high arc spout that provides ample clearance for filling pots and pans. The Delta Faucet Classic Single-Handle Kitchen Sink Faucet is made from durable materials that are sure to last for years to come. It is also backed by Delta's lifetime limited warranty, so you can be sure that you are making a sound investment. The Delta Faucet Classic Single-Handle Kitchen Sink Faucet boasts several key features that make it a popular choice for kitchens. Here are some of the highlights. Durability and leak prevention. Diamond Seal technology. This patented technology uses a ceramic disc instead of traditional washers, eliminating friction points and ensuring leak-free operation for life. Delta claims it lasts twice as long as the industry standard. Lifetime limited warranty. Delta stands behind the quality of this faucet with their lifetime limited warranty, giving you peace of mind, functionality and convenience. Single-handle design provides easy control over water temperature and flow with just one lever. 180-degree swivel offers maximum reach and flexibility for filling pots, cleaning dishes and tackling other kitchen tasks. Pull-down sprayer for specific models allows you to switch between a steady stream and a powerful spray for different cleaning needs. Water efficiency. Delta's Touch Clean spray holes resist mineral buildup, making cleaning easier and potentially reducing the need for frequent cleaning with harsh chemicals. Style and finish. Classic design. Timeless and elegant look that complements a variety of kitchen styles. Multiple finishes available. Choose from chrome, stainless steel, matte black and other finishes too. Match your existing decor. Additional features. Easy installation designed for single-hole configurations. InnoFlex waterways eliminate the potential for unpleasant odors or taste. Meets WaterSense criteria for water efficiency. Ultimately, the Delta Faucet Classic Single-Handle Kitchen Sink Faucet offers a combination of durability, functionality, style, and value, making it a popular choice for kitchen upgrades and new installations. Delta Faucet Classic Single-Handle Kitchen Sink Faucet. Pros and cons. Pros: elegant and timeless design. Single-handle convenience. Durable construction. Multiple finish options. Spray functionality. Easy installation. Cons: potential for limescale buildup. Limited temperature. Faucet reach. Spray head maintenance. By weighing the pros and cons carefully and considering your specific needs and budget, you can determine if the Delta Faucet Classic Single-Handle Kitchen Sink Faucet is the right choice for your home. And there you have it, folks, a closer look at the Delta Faucet Classic Single-Handle Kitchen Sink Faucet. If you're ready to elevate your kitchen with a perfect blend of style and functionality, this might just be the look at the Moon 87557W Brooklyn Glacier White One-Handle Single-Hole Kitchen Faucet. This faucet has been on my radar for a while now, and I'm finally getting around to giving it a full review. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews and home improvement tips. Now, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the design. This faucet is absolutely stunning. The glacier white finish is a beautiful, crisp white that really brightens up the kitchen. I love the clean lines and the modern farmhouse feel. It's also a very functional design. The single handle operation is super easy to use, even with wet hands. And the pull-out sprayer is a lifesaver for rinsing dishes and filling pots. Speaking of functionality, this faucet has some great features under the hood. The Moen Reflex PEX connection system makes installation a breeze, and the Duralast technology ensures that this faucet will last for years to come. Now, I know what you're thinking. Installation can be a pain. But trust me, the Moen 87557W is so easy to install, you'll be amazed. Even if you're not a DIY expert, you can handle this one yourself. Moen provides clear and easy to follow instructions, and there are plenty of helpful videos online if you get stuck. Here are some features of the Moen 87557W Brecklin Glacier White One-Handle Single-Hole Kitchen Faucet. Single-handle design for easy control of water temperature and flow. Pull-out sprayer with power clean spray technology for tackling tough messes. Reflex pull-down hose with 59 reach for added convenience. 360 spout swivel for filling pots and cleaning the sink. Optional deck plate included for 3-hole installations. Spot resist finish helps to resist fingerprints and water spots. Duralast valve for leak-free performance. Lifetime limited warranty. Here are some additional things to consider before purchasing the Moen 87557W Brecklin Glacier White One-Handle Single-Hole Kitchen Faucet. The size of your sink. Make sure the faucet will fit comfortably in your sink and that the spout reach is long enough to reach all areas of the sink. The type of countertop you have. The spot resist finish may not be as effective on some types of countertops, such as granite or marble. Your installation skills. If you are not comfortable installing a faucet yourself, you will need to hire a plumber, which will add to the cost of the faucet. Here is a list of pros and cons for the Moen 87557W Brecklin Glacier White One-Handle Single-Hole Kitchen Faucet. Pros: stylish design, single-handle control, pull-out sprayer, 360-degree spout swivel, spot resist finish, lifetime warranty. Cons: price, installation, sprayer head, limited color options. So, what's my final verdict on the Moen 87557W Brecklin Glacier White One-Handle Single-Hole Kitchen Faucet? I absolutely love it. It's beautiful, functional and easy to install. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line kitchen faucet that won't break the bank, this is the one for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you have any questions about the Moen 87557W, be sure to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement videos.